I'm getting ready to do my disconnect right now for the outdoor air conditioner. There's going to be 2 of them. How do I know these are 20 amps? So this yellow wire here is basically 12-2, and it will go on your 20 amp breaker. Okay. As you can see, I always try to leave a little bit of access wire, just in case that I have to relocate my wires somehow. Don't really need a whole lot of wire, so I don't keep a whole lot of wire inside the panel because it gets messy. You can see I always try to keep my panel neat as possible. These 2 wires here are receptacles, so they're going to go on to a special breaker.